If your Outlook mailbox keeps showing that mailbox full error and you're missing important emails because of it, don't worry. In this video, how to fix mailbox is full error in Outlook, we will go through everything step by step directly inside Outlook. So whether you're using the web version or the desktop app, you'll be able to follow along easily. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a few extra tips that can stop this issue from happening again in the future. First, open Microsoft Outlook and sign into your account. Once you enter your email and password, click on Next and access your Outlook dashboard. After logging in, the first thing you should do is remove unnecessary emails from your mailbox. Start by checking your inbox, sent items, spam folder, and any custom folders you've created. Look for emails you no longer need and delete them. One of the biggest reasons mailboxes fill up quickly is because of large attachments like videos, PDFs, and images. Emails with attachments can take up a huge amount of storage without you realizing it. If you still need those files, don't keep them inside your mailbox forever. Instead, download them to your computer, save them to an external drive, or upload them to cloud storage like OneDrive. After saving the files somewhere safe, you can delete the email from Outlook to free up space. Now, here is something many people forget. Deleting emails alone is not enough because Outlook moves deleted emails into the deleted items folder. That means those files are still using storage space. To completely remove them, go to the deleted items folder on the left side of Outlook. Right-click on the folder and choose Empty Folder. Outlook will permanently delete everything inside that folder and immediately free up additional storage space. Next, let's check Outlook's built-in mailbox cleanup tools. These tools help you quickly find large or old emails that are taking up space. If you're using the Outlook now let's talk about archiving because this is one of the best long-term solutions for managing mailbox storage. Instead of permanently deleting important old emails, you can archive them, which moves emails out of your main mailbox while still keeping them accessible when needed. This helps keep your Outlook account clean and improves performance as well. In Outlook Desktop, you can manually create a PST file, which stands for Personal Storage Table File. This file allows you to move older emails into a separate storage file on your computer. It's especially useful if you have years of emails you don't want to lose, but also don't need inside your active mailbox every day. Step 6. Efficiency and prevention. Another smart way to reduce mailbox usage is by managing incoming emails more efficiently. Many people receive dozens of promotional emails and newsletters every single day without reading them. Take a few minutes to unsubscribe from newsletters or marketing emails you no longer need. Over time, this can dramatically reduce the number of new emails entering your inbox. You can also create email rules inside Outlook. Rules automatically organize incoming emails based on sender, subject, or keywords. For example, you can automatically move work emails into one folder and promotional emails into another. This keeps your inbox cleaner and easier to manage. If you're using Microsoft 365, another helpful option is OneDrive. Instead of sending large files as attachments, you can upload files to OneDrive and share links instead. This reduces mailbox storage usage and makes file sharing much easier. Now, if you've already cleaned up your mailbox but the issue continues, there may be a problem with your Outlook profile. In that case, try repairing your Outlook profile through the Outlook settings. A corrupted profile can sometimes cause syncing or storage problems even after cleanup. By following all these steps, you can successfully fix the Outlook mailbox full error and keep your mailbox running smoothly. Regular cleanup and organization will help prevent this problem from returning in the future. I hope this video helped you solve the issue quickly and easily. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Outlook tips and troubleshooting tutorials.